Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at something truly mind-blowing, the future of construction. I'm talking about the most ambitious, innovative, and downright incredible projects happening around the world right now. From towering skyscrapers that seem to touch the clouds to futuristic transportation systems that sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. We're about to dive into a world of engineering marvels. These projects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and giving us a glimpse into the cities and technologies of tomorrow. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to uncover 7 of the most unique and awe-inspiring construction projects happening right now. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a tech geek, or just someone who appreciates incredible feats of engineering, this video is for you. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the cutting edge of construction and witness the incredible structures shaping our future. Let's get started. First up, we're heading to Saudi Arabia, where a new icon is set to dominate the skyline. Get ready to be amazed by the Jeddah Tower, a skyscraper that's not just tall, it's in a league of its own. Imagine a building so high that it literally disappears into the clouds. That's the Jeddah Tower, a marvel of engineering that's set to become the tallest structure ever built. This skyscraper will soar over 3,280 feet. That's 1 whole kilometre into the sky. The sheer scale of this project is mind-boggling. To put it into perspective, the Jeddah Tower will be over twice the height of the Empire State Building and almost 3 times taller than the Eiffel Tower. And it's not just about height. The tower's sleek, futuristic design is a testament to the ingenuity of modern architecture. With its aerodynamic shape and shimmering facade, the Jeddah Tower is set to become a symbol of Saudi Arabia's ambition and a beacon of human achievement. But the Jeddah Tower isn't just about breaking records, it's a vertical city designed to house a thriving community. Inside this towering structure, you'll find luxury residences, world-class hotels, state-of-the-art offices, and breathtaking observation decks offering unparalleled views of the Red Sea. Imagine waking up in a luxurious apartment hundreds of meters above the ground, stepping out onto your balcony to panoramic views of the city and the sea stretching out before you. That's the kind of lifestyle the Jeddah Tower promises. Beyond residences, the tower will house a plethora of amenities, including high-end shopping malls, fine dining restaurants, and even a mosque placed at one of the highest habitable points in the world. With everything you could ever need within its vertical walls, the Jeddah Tower is a city unto itself. This ambitious project aims to create a sustainable and self-contained community, high above the ground, redefining urban living and showcasing the possibilities of vertical architecture. Constructing a building of this magnitude comes with its own set of challenges. From the extreme wind loads at such heights to the complexities of pumping concrete a kilometre high, engineers have had to come up with innovative solutions to bring this ambitious project to life. One of the key innovations is the tower's unique Y-shaped footprint, designed to provide stability against high winds. The building's exterior will be clad in low conductivity glass, reducing energy consumption by reflecting the sun's heat. The Jeddah Tower is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a project that's capturing the imagination of the world and inspiring a new generation of architects and engineers. And while the completion date of this ambitious project is still uncertain, one thing is for sure: the Jeddah Tower will forever alter the landscape of architecture and leave an indelible mark on the world stage. Now let's shift gears from towering skyscrapers to a transportation revolution in the making. Imagine a world where you could travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes. That's the promise of the Hyperloop, a groundbreaking transportation system poised to redefine how we travel. The Hyperloop is not your typical train. In fact, it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Picture this: sleek, futuristic pods traveling at incredible speeds through near vacuum tubes propelled by magnetic levitation and electric propulsion systems. This innovative concept eliminates air resistance and friction, allowing the pods to reach speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. That's faster than most commercial airplanes. It's like traveling in a high-speed capsule shot through a pneumatic tube, except on a much grander scale. The Hyperloop has the potential to revolutionize not just transportation, but entire industries and economies. Imagine the possibilities of connecting major cities in ways we never thought possible, making long commutes a thing of the past, and opening up new opportunities for businesses and communities. Imagine a city without cars, streets, or carbon emissions. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, Saudi Arabia is turning this futuristic vision into a reality with the Line, a revolutionary urban development project within the larger NEOM initiative. This ambitious endeavour aims to redefine the concept of urban living as we know it. The Line is envisioned as a 170-kilometre long linear city, a stark contrast to traditional sprawling urban landscapes. This unique design, a mirrored facade stretching across the desert, houses its entire population within a 5-minute walking distance of essential amenities. This pedestrian-friendly approach prioritizes walkability and promotes a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle for its residents. This city of the future aims to be fully powered by renewable energy sources, minimizing its environmental footprint. From solar and wind power to advanced energy storage solutions, the Line is committed to achieving carbon neutrality and setting a global benchmark for sustainable urban development. But how will people travel such distances without cars? The Line will feature a high-speed transit system running beneath the city, allowing residents to traverse the entire length in just 20 minutes. This efficient transportation system, coupled with the city's pedestrian-friendly design, eliminates the need for private vehicles, reducing congestion and promoting a cleaner, quieter living environment. Instead of traditional horizontal urban sprawl, the Line will embrace vertical living, with all its essential functions and amenities housed within a continuous structure. Imagine stepping out of your apartment and having access to parks, schools, shops, and even your workplace, all within a short walk or elevator ride. This interconnected design fosters a strong sense of community and minimizes the need for lengthy commutes. The Line's interior will be a marvel of engineering and design, featuring a layered approach to urban planning. Residential areas, parks, and recreational spaces will be intertwined with work and commercial zones, creating a seamless blend of live, work, and play environments. This innovative approach to urban planning aims to maximize efficiency, convenience, and quality of life for residents. But it's not just about convenience and efficiency. The Line also prioritizes the well-being of its residents. Abundant green spaces will be integrated throughout the city, providing residents with access to nature and promoting a sense of tranquility amidst the bustling urban environment. These green areas will also play a crucial role in regulating temperature, improving air quality, and enhancing biodiversity within the city. From vertical farms providing fresh, locally sourced produce to state-of-the-art healthcare facilities, the Line aims to provide its residents with a holistic and sustainable living experience. Imagine stepping out your door to a vibrant community garden or enjoying a leisurely stroll through a lush park, all within the heart of this innovative city. While the Line is still under construction, it has already captured the world's imagination. Its bold vision and innovative design have sparked widespread debate about the future of urban living. Can this ambitious project deliver on its promises of sustainability and technological advancement? Critics question its feasibility, but proponents see it as a necessary step towards sustainable cities. Whether the line succeeds remains to be seen, but it undeniably pushes the boundaries of urban design. In the heart of Nevada's desert landscape, a colossal structure rises, shimmering under the scorching sun. This is not just another factory, it's Tesla's Gigafactory, a testament to Elon Musk's ambitious vision of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. This behemoth of a building is at the forefront of a manufacturing revolution, one that's set to redefine how we produce electric vehicles and batteries on a global scale. The sheer scale of the Gigafactory is mind-boggling. Covering an area larger than 700 football fields, it's one of the largest buildings in the world by footprint. But it's not just about size. This megafactory is a marvel of modern engineering and automation, designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. Inside this sprawling complex, a symphony of robots and automated systems work tirelessly alongside thousands of skilled workers. Raw materials flow in, and finished batteries and electric vehicles roll out, all under one massive roof. This vertical integration of the manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished products, is a key element of Tesla's strategy to achieve economies of scale and drive down the cost of electric vehicles. The Gigafactory is not just a symbol of Tesla's ambition, it's a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. By ramping up the production of lithium-ion batteries, the factory plays a crucial role in driving down the cost of battery technology, making electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to the masses. At the heart of the Gigafactory's operations lies the production of lithium-ion batteries, the energy storage powerhouses that fuel Tesla's electric vehicles. These batteries are not just essential for powering cars, they are also key to enabling the transition to a more sustainable energy grid, storing energy from renewable sources like solar and wind power. The Gigafactory is designed to produce batteries at an unprecedented scale, with the goal of reaching an annual production capacity of up to 150 gigawatt hours, enough to power millions of electric vehicles. This massive production capacity is crucial to meeting the surging demand for electric vehicles and supporting the global shift towards cleaner transportation. But it's not just about quantity. Tesla is also pushing the boundaries of battery technology, constantly innovating to improve energy density, charging speed, and overall battery life. These advancements are essential to addressing range anxiety, one of the biggest barriers to wider electric vehicle adoption. The Gigafactory is also playing a crucial role in creating a more sustainable battery supply chain. By partnering with leading mining and recycling companies, Tesla aims to ensure a responsible and ethical sourcing of raw materials, minimizing the environmental impact of battery production. While the Gigafactory is primarily known for its role in electric vehicle production, its impact extends far beyond the automotive industry. The batteries produced here are also being deployed in Tesla's energy storage products, such as the Powerwall and Powerpack, which are revolutionizing how homes, businesses, and even entire grids store and consume energy. Imagine a world where homes and businesses can generate their own clean energy from solar panels and store it efficiently using Tesla Powerwall batteries, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and creating a more resilient and sustainable energy grid. This is the future that the Gigafactory is helping to build. The Gigafactory stands as a symbol of a paradigm shift in manufacturing, embracing automation, sustainability, and vertical integration to create a more sustainable and electrified future. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges through innovation and collaboration. As Tesla continues to expand its gigafactory network across the globe, the impact of this manufacturing revolution will only continue to grow. This is just the beginning of a new era of sustainable manufacturing, one that's set to transform industries and reshape our world for the better. Carved into the rugged landscape of the Blue Nile River in Ethiopia, a colossal structure takes shape, embodying both promise and controversy. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is a beacon of hope for Ethiopia, promising energy independence and economic prosperity. Once completed, it will be Africa's largest hydroelectric dam, generating over 6,000 megawatts of electricity. However, the dam has sparked significant regional tension, especially with Egypt. Egypt fears reduced Nile flow, impacting agriculture and livelihoods. The GERD highlights the delicate balance between development and equitable water management in a water-scarce region. The GERD's construction has ignited a complex geopolitical debate. With Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan, the three countries most directly affected by the dam, locked in negotiations to reach a tripartite agreement on the dam's filling and operation. These negotiations have been fraught with challenges, with each country seeking to protect its own interests and ensure water security for its citizens. Ethiopia maintains that the dam is crucial for its development and that it is committed to filling and operating the dam in a way that does not significantly harm downstream countries. It argues that the dam will actually benefit the region by regulating the flow of the Nile, reducing the risk of devastating floods and droughts that have plagued the region for centuries. Egypt, on the other hand, worries that the dam's massive reservoir, with a capacity to hold over 70 billion cubic meters of water, could significantly reduce the flow of the Nile, especially during the critical filling phase. It has called for a binding agreement that guarantees a minimum annual flow of Nile water, ensuring the sustainability of its own water resources. Sudan, caught between its upstream neighbour Ethiopia and downstream neighbour Egypt, finds itself in a delicate position. It stands to benefit from the dam's potential to regulate water flow and generate electricity. However, it also shares Egypt's concerns about the potential impact on its own water security. The GERD's future remains uncertain, with negotiations ongoing and the potential for both cooperation and conflict looming. The international community has called for a peaceful and equitable resolution that addresses the concerns of all parties involved. The African Union has played a mediating role, facilitating dialogue between the three countries and encouraging a collaborative approach to finding a solution. Technical experts from each country have met to discuss the dam's technical aspects and explore ways to mitigate potential negative impacts. The GERD represents a complex and multifaceted challenge, one that highlights the interconnectedness of water resources and the need for transboundary cooperation. It underscores the importance of dialogue, compromise, and a shared vision for sustainable development in a region facing shared water challenges. The world watches and waits, hoping that a peaceful and mutually beneficial agreement can be reached, one that ensures the sustainable development of all countries in the Nile Basin and serves as a model for regional cooperation in addressing shared water resources challenges. The outcome of the GERD negotiations will have far-reaching consequences, not only for the Nile Basin but also for the future of transboundary water management worldwide. Deep beneath the bustling streets of one of the world's most iconic cities, a modern marvel of engineering is taking shape. This is the Crossrail project, a transformative underground railway line that's set to revolutionise transportation in London and its surrounding areas. Officially named the Elizabeth Line, This ambitious project has been decades in the making and is finally nearing completion. The Crossrail project is not just about adding a new line to London's already extensive underground network. It's about creating a faster, more efficient and interconnected transportation system. With its state-of-the-art trains and modern stations, Crossrail will significantly reduce travel times across the city, making it easier than ever for people to live, work and explore all that London has to offer. The impact of Crossrail is expected to be felt far beyond the city's borders. By improving connectivity and reducing congestion, the new line will boost the economy, create jobs, and enhance London's standing as a global hub. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the Crossrail project, exploring its history, engineering challenges, and the remarkable impact it's poised to have on London's future. We'll uncover the scale of this monumental project, from the vast tunnels bored beneath the city to the intricate construction of its impressive new stations. Get ready to discover how Crossrail is transforming London's urban landscape and setting new standards for modern infrastructure projects worldwide. Constructing a new railway line beneath a densely populated city like London is no easy feat. The Crossrail project faced numerous engineering challenges, from navigating existing underground infrastructure to managing the logistics of excavating vast amounts of earth in a confined urban environment. One of the biggest hurdles was tunnelling beneath the River Thames. Engineers had to carefully map out the riverbed and use specialised tunnelling machines to bore through the challenging ground conditions, ensuring the safety of both the workers and the integrity of the existing riverbed. Another significant challenge was constructing the new stations, many of which are located in historically sensitive areas. To overcome these challenges, engineers relied on cutting-edge technology and innovative construction methods. For example, they used enormous tunnel boring machines, each weighing over 1,000 tons, to excavate the tunnels with precision and speed. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, equipped with rotating cutter heads that grind through rock and soil, while simultaneously lining the tunnel walls with concrete segments. To minimise disruption at street level, engineers employed a technique called top-down construction for some of the stations. This involved excavating large underground caverns from the surface and then building the station structures downwards, piece by piece. This approach significantly reduced the footprint of construction sites and minimised the impact on traffic and businesses. The completion of the Crossrail project, now known as the Elizabeth Line, marks a new era for transportation in London. With high-frequency trains and modern stations, the Elizabeth Line transforms travel in London. It reduces travel time and connects key business districts and residential areas. The line alleviates congestion on existing routes, improving reliability. It also brings economic and social benefits, creating jobs and boosting the local economy. The Elizabeth Line enhances London's attractiveness and showcases its commitment to innovation. Imagine a future where clean, safe, and nearly limitless energy is a reality. This is the ambitious goal driving the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, more commonly known as ITER. This groundbreaking project, involving the collaboration of 35 nations, represents the largest and most complex scientific endeavour in human history. Located in the south of France, ITER aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion power, the same process that powers the sun, as a viable energy source for the future. Unlike traditional nuclear fission, which splits atoms and generates radioactive waste, fusion involves fusing atomic nuclei to release energy, a process that produces no greenhouse gases and minimal waste. At the heart of ITER lies a massive donut-shaped device called a tokamak. Within this complex machine, powerful magnetic fields will confine and heat a plasma of hydrogen isotopes to temperatures hotter than the core of the Sun, reaching a staggering 150 million degrees Celsius. Under these extreme conditions, the hydrogen atoms fuse, releasing enormous amounts of energy. ITER is not intended to be a commercial power plant, but rather a giant experimental reactor designed to prove that fusion power can be harnessed on a large scale. The knowledge gained from ITER will pave the way for the development of future fusion power plants, potentially revolutionizing the way we power our world. Fusion, the process of combining light atomic nuclei to form heavier ones, is the very reaction that powers the Sun and other stars. In the Sun's core, under immense pressure and heat, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing vast amounts of energy in the form of light and heat that sustain life on Earth. Replicating this process on Earth, however, presents significant challenges. To achieve fusion, scientists must create conditions similar to those found in the Sun's core, requiring temperatures exceeding 100 million degrees Celsius. At these extreme temperatures, matter exists as a plasma, an ionized gas, where electrons are stripped from their atoms. Confining and controlling this superheated plasma is one of the most significant hurdles in fusion research. ITER tackles this challenge using a tokamak, a donut-shaped device that utilizes powerful magnetic fields to contain the plasma and prevent it from touching the reactor walls, which would instantly cool it down and halt the fusion reaction. Within the tokamak, a complex system of superconducting magnets generates a magnetic field thousands of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field guides and confines the plasma, keeping it suspended within the vacuum chamber and allowing it to reach the extreme temperatures required for fusion to occur. The sheer scale and complexity of ITER have necessitated an unprecedented level of international collaboration. 35 nations representing over half the world's population have pooled their scientific and engineering expertise, making ITER a shining example of what can be achieved through global cooperation in the pursuit of a common goal. The knowledge gained from ITER extends far beyond the realm of fusion energy research. The project is pushing the boundaries of science and engineering in numerous fields, including materials science, plasma physics, and supercomputing. The development of new technologies and materials for ITER will have far-reaching applications in other areas, such as medicine, manufacturing, and computing. The successful demonstration of fusion power at ITER would be a monumental achievement, potentially transforming the global energy landscape. Fusion power offers a clean, safe, and virtually inexhaustible energy source, addressing concerns over climate change, energy security, and resource depletion. While ITER is a crucial step towards realizing the dream of fusion power, challenges remain in translating this experimental technology into commercially viable power plants. The construction and operation of ITER present immense engineering and logistical hurdles, and the timeline for achieving net energy gain from fusion remains uncertain. Nevertheless, ITER represents a beacon of hope and a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge and holding the key to a brighter energy future. From the record-breaking heights of the Jeddah Tower to the futuristic vision of the line, from the lightning-fast Hyperloop to the clean energy promise of ITER, we've journeyed through some of the most awe-inspiring construction projects shaping our world today. These projects are not just feats of engineering, they are testaments to human ambition, innovation, and our relentless pursuit of progress. These mind-blowing projects are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, redefining skylines, revolutionizing transportation, and tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges. As these projects near completion and their impact begins to unfold, one thing is certain: the future of construction is brimming with possibilities, promising a world reshaped by human ingenuity and driven by our collective desire for a brighter tomorrow. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's most mind-blowing construction projects, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations into the world of science, technology and engineering. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.